Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use the following functions in Microsoft Excel, which are max, min, count, counter, and count blank. My name is Oluwaseun. Let's get started. Max is used to get the highest value within range of numbers. Max. We have 130 as the highest value within the range of numbers. Min is used to get the smallest value within range of numbers. We have 10 as the smallest value. Count is used to count cells that contains number only. We have just three cells that contains number 1, 2, 3. Counter is used to count cells that has data inside of it. It ignores blank cells. So how many cells do we have that contains data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count blank is used to count cells, empty cells, that's blank cells only. So here just one cell that is blank.